Well, hello again, it's Jason Carlson, and I've got another challenge lock in the vise. Today, it's Baby Steps by Easy Picking, and to be honest with you, this one's been a bit more of a challenge for me than I thought it was going to be. It is on a quick set keyway, modified key, and it's put up a bit more of a fight than I thought. I guess I'm more accustomed to just different locks. This one fought me a little bit. So go in with a medium hook, something I put together on 25 thousandths, and just a tiny bit of pressure. You can tell that it is a serrated lock. Grub screws in every chamber, so I'm going to guess that every chamber has been serrated. And there it is. So, like most of the locks that I pick, it's all about the tap, 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 one pin at a time. And let's get this out. And go wide angle. This on the floor for the dogs to do what their will with. And I'll get it up just a tiny bit. Maybe a little more. Alright. We'll get a zoom in here in a second. So, yep, we are open. And I'm gonna do my best not to open the key. And it's one of those clips. Okay. Let's do a 5.0 and see if I can convince it to come off. Yes, I know. Look at that. Don't run away. Okay, still open. Shim. Shim in. As you can see, all 5 have grub screws, so I'm going to guess, that's only a guess, that all 5 have been threaded. Go. Core has not been modified, but there are construction holes on that side. 1 is a bomb pin. 2 is standard. 3 is serrated. 4 is standard. 5 is a bomb pin with a serration on top. And where's my sticky thing? There it is. Dogs are probably going to make a lot of noise. But what we have here is nothing, 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 nothing. Very cool. And let's see what we have up on top. One is a factory serrated, and spring took a ride with tweezers. 2 is a standard steel spring. Just in time for the dogs to play. 3 is a factory spool. Spring is playing hard to get. It is a small phosphor copper. I'm going to go in the other way for the rest. Just found it to be a little bit easier. And number 5 is a factory serrated. And a steel spring. And 4 is another factory spool and another steel spring. Let's see if I have any little bit of accuracy with my guesstimation of the core. And I was completely wrong. None of them are threaded. All right, so I guess sometimes you can't always be accurate, and guessing is nothing more than guesswork. So let's get this dialed in. Clear some of the mess out of the way. Whoa, too much. Doing my best to keep everything in within view. Number 1 is a bomb pin and a key pin. Number 2 is a unmodified. 3 has 2 serrations. 4 is unmodified. 5 has this cool bomb pin component with a serration up on top. In the driver pins, factory serrated, standard, unmodified, factory spool, another factory spool in 4, and a factory serrated in 5. Steel springs in 1, 2, 4, and 5. Ooh, look at that, magnetic. And then copper phosphor or brass phosphor in number 3. This is, let's see, in the core, nothing is done to any of the chambers. And in the Bible, the same. Nothing is done there. All right, so another day, another lock. This is easy pickings, baby steps. And I hope everybody's going to have a great week this week, because this last one has sucked swamp water. Either way, hope everybody has a great week. Remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.